Yeah, hi, this is Ravi and I am a web developer for WordPress. Here are few examples of my website that I have created. The first website is sebrongroup.com. This is a professional website for a business. Is a Sebron Group. So here I have designed some modern style look with the WordPress Elementor. Here are its navigation system. You can directly navigate to some other pages. Like here you can see the contact us pages is migrated with the form where you can enter all your details and we will immediately contact you. Okay, and the second website is that I have created, that is the mysticalwares.com. Okay, let me refresh this one and you can see in this website I have integrated one live radio station where the we can grab the online listeners. It is available for 24 is to 7. This is just an example I want to show you. And here is the donate button, and if you want to create this type of website, I am there for you. Here is the option to pay via get donation via card or cash app. Okay, and third one is the prettydollarsbrand.com. This is a Shopify store where we used to sell the clothes, especially for ladies wear, and this has also some offline stores there, and you can order on this website directly with your cash. You can pay cash on delivery, everything option is there. And here is the chat option. You can ask any chat regarding any product or order. And yeah, next is the blog website. If you wanna classic blog website that I have created with WordPress, all website are created with WordPress and some HTML code is there. So if you require this type of website, I am there for you. Yeah, some one more website is the professional corporate website is called intelmate.com. One is organization website. This is called voicebeyondsl.org, and this is for the sexually harassed women, and you can support them with your some donation and all. Here is the some language option is there are three languages here. One is English, second one is French, and third one is the Spanish one. I can show you here in a live example. If you wanna translate this website to the Spanish language, here it is. Just one click and you can see everything is in Spanish language. Okay, now we can move forward to next website, that is the handyman website. This is a very basic website where local handyman you can make in contact with local handyman partner. We are the organization of that. You can get the code here. We can directly navigate to the form page here, and you can put all your address and we will get the email notification. Immediately we can contact you. And yeah, one other website, that is the last website. This is called insuremates.com. This is handled by one senior citizen from USA. He is 80 years old and he is very passionate about this business. And you can get lots of insurance things and all. Here is the one wall post here. You can share your thoughts with us. Everything is there, and here is also an chat option, and I put his photos there. You can get any. It is all are integrated with AI, so you can get your answer for all your questions. This is created with the fast bots. One plugin is for WordPress. So these all are the website of my work sample. So please, if you want this type of websites or more than that, just let me know. We can talk soon. Okay, thank you.